Hello, this is Chef Sahil from headbangerskitchen.com with horns up and welcome to a brand new episode of Headbanger's Kitchen. If you've been watching cooking videos on YouTube, then you should definitely know the name Chef John from foodwishes.com. He's an absolute legend on YouTube and a huge inspiration of mine. And Chef John has an inside-out grilled cheese sandwich, his most popular video with 10 million views that's over a decade old. And today I want to pay homage to him by recreating that recipe and giving it my own spin. So we're making an inside-out grilled cheese sandwich, which is a decadent grilled cheese with cheese on the outside, cheese on the inside. There's cheese everywhere. And guys, this is not a sandwich that you eat on a daily basis. This is something you eat once in 6 months because it's got so many calories that I didn't even bother calculating how many they were. Anyway, enough jibber jabber, let's get cooking. We're going to be making two sandwiches using two different kinds of bread. One will be made using regular white bread and the other using some sourdough bread. We will also be using two different kinds of cheese. I've got a red or orange cheddar which goes inside the sandwich, and I have a mature white cheddar that will go on the outside of the sandwich. And we will also be using regular salted butter for this recipe, and you want to make sure that your butter is at room temperature so that it's soft and you can spread it on the bread easily. Let's start with our regular white bread version. You want to take a slice of the bread and butter it. Yes, you butter the inside of the bread. I never understood people who don't butter the inside of their sandwiches. Anyway, once that's done, lay on that cheese and use as much as you like. And then butter the other slice and place the butter side down to make your sandwich. And now you also butter the top side of the sandwich. And it's time to cook this grilled cheese. I'm going to use my non-stick pan to make this grilled cheese, so turn the stove to a low heat and then melt some butter in the pan. And as you can see, I'm gently spreading it in the shape of the bread. I'd recommend using a wooden or silicone spatula to do this, or if you use a knife like I'm using, make sure the knife doesn't touch the pan or it will scratch it. Now place your sandwich on that bread shaped butter patch and cover it with a lid and let it cook. The reason I cover it is because the steam will not only make the bread fluffy, it will also melt the cheese, making the sandwich more stable when you flip it, and nothing will slip and slide, none of the cheese will fall out, so that's why we do this. So just let it cook on a low heat. You want the bread to get nice and toasted. Now it's time to flip our sandwich over, and you want to add your cheese on the toasted side and then cover it and let it cook. Once again, the idea is to melt the cheese so that when we flip the sandwich over, the cheese doesn't fall off. And I'll also throw in a little bit of water into the frying pan to create some steam to help melt that cheese. And once that's done, we're going to flip the sandwich over, and holy moly macaroni! Just look at that gorgeous color. I mean, that's pure food porn. Now I'm going to sprinkle cheese on this toasted side and cover it with the lid and let the cheese melt. Once again, I'll add some water to create some steam and help that cheese melt. Once that's done, it's time to flip it over again, and OMG, would you look at that cheese? It's gotten so crispy and crunchy and golden. Wow, wow, wow. Food porn again. Anyway, let it cook now, and once the other side is done and it's beautifully golden brown and that cheese is melted and become crispy, remove it from the pan. And our inside out grilled cheese with regular white bread is ready, and it looks so delicious. And just listen to how crispy that cheese is. Ooh yeah! Now let's make our sandwich using the sourdough bread. So butter up your slice. Place the cheese on that, then butter the inside of the second slice and place that down, and then butter the top of the bread as well, and now it's time to cook it. Start by melting butter in your frying pan on a low heat and shape that butter patch like the shape of the bread. Then you place your sandwich on it and cover it and let it cook on one side. Then remove the lid, flip your sandwich over and let it cook on the other side. And once it's lovely and golden on both sides, remove it from the pan. Add some more cheese to the pan and once again shape it in the shape of the sandwich, and then flip over your sandwich and place the non-cheesy exterior of the sandwich directly onto the cheese. Let that cook till the cheese becomes nice and crispy, and then remove the sandwich from the pan. Add more cheese to the pan, once again in the shape of the sandwich, and then flip and place the non-cheesy exterior of the sandwich directly onto the cheese. And now you get a good look at that cheese covered outside. Just look at that magnificence. This video is for sure going to get flagged as not safe for work with the amount of food porn in it. Anyway, once the second side has also crisped up, remove it from the pan and our inside out grilled cheese with sourdough bread is ready. And that looks epic as well. And of course, you gotta listen to just how crispy that cheese has become. And that, my friends, is our inside out grilled cheese sandwich done two ways with the Headbanger's Kitchen twist, which is butter on the inside and the outside. It's done and ready, and as always, enjoy. Alright folks, it's time to taste the inside out grilled cheese, and look who's joining me. It's my dad, Mickey Makija.
I'm back, guys. A little unruly though. No salons open, long hair, no beard shave. Oh man, it's a lockdown. So
yes,
this is a good part of it.
So this is an inside out grilled cheese sandwich. So it's got cheese inside and outside.
I can see that.
And there's one with sourdough and one with regular white bread.
Oh.
Okay, so we're going to go for the sourdough one first.
Is that the sourdough?
So crispy and buttery.
I wish I had skipped lunch. I would have finished these two. Just as one bite and the decision is made.
I feel like I need to go for a jog now.
With one bite? Okay, let's try the other one quickly. Huh?
Go for it. Oh wow. Cheesy. That crispy cheese on the outside.
If you try to kiss someone now, you just slide off their lips.
Yeah,
It's
so much butter.
good.
So much butter on your. It's like you don't need lip gloss. You just have like butter grease.
Virtual TV, if it was, I mean, you could taste what I'm tasting. Oh man.
Right, so I'm gonna assume that he likes this and he gives the inside out grilled cheese the horns up. Yes. Perfect. Anyway, my dad likes it. He's bereft of words for a change. And I guess we will see you on the next episode of Headbanger's Kitchen. Until then, cheers and keep cooking.